Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. It's a crazy hair day and a crazy food today. I'm making chicken liver. Let's get to it. Let's start with the chicken liver. So we just want to clean it out first. I have it in a strainer just so that the blood just gets removed. Let's turn on the stove here, and I just want to oil my pan. Now I'm just frying up these chicken livers with about 1 tablespoon of oil. Turn down the heat to about medium and cover this up and let it fry. In between of it cooking, just remove the lid and just mix it all up a little bit just so that it's cooking on every side. Now that it's all fried, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. And add in some slices of onions. With this, let's add in a splash of soy sauce, some salt, and some pepper. This is my take on chicken liver. I just garnish it with some green onions. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and let me know how you make your chicken liver. Or do you like chicken liver? Thank you so much for watching.